Jawed Habib is an Indian hairstylist and businessman. In January 2022, a video went viral of Jawed Habib that he is using his spit to style a woman's hair during a workshop in Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh. He also claimed this spit has life. Habib owns Jawed Habib Hair and Beauty Limited, which operates across the country. Habib's grandfather Nazir Ahmed served as the official hairdresser for Lord Linlithgow Lord Mountbatten and Jawaharlal Nehru. His father Habib Ahmed also worked for the President of India at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Habib attended the Jawaharlal Nehru University, obtaining a degree in French literature. During this time, he was the captain of the university cricket team and wanted to become a cricketer. At the advice of his father, he later attended the Morris School of Hair Design. In 1984, Jawed Habib started working with his father in their first salon, Habib's Hair and Beauty, in the Oberoi Hotel in New Delhi. Wanting international exposure and education, he went to London, UK to study advanced techniques in Morris School of Hairdressing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.